a drill, 1.5-inch Forstner bit. We need a guide for that bit, masking tape, a clamp, screwdriver, replacement latch, and the door taken off of your cabinet. And then we need a piece of wood block to drill into. We need to mark off where the top of the current latch is, and then we just take it off. There is a ring on the other side, so this needs to come out. Sometimes they come out nicely, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they need a little bit of help, so I'm gonna cut this one through right here. Mask off this side as well. Mark the center of the hole on the masking tape, and then mask the rest of it off. Use shorter pieces than this one. I'll tell you why in a second. Run the center line through and mark off where the top of the new latch is going to be, which is the bottom of this first tape. Now we position the guide. This is going to be the top of the new latch. So this is going to be right at the top with the middle line going right through it. And then we clamp it down. That's where the screw hole was. One thing that helps is routing this edge out. This plate fits much better. If you don't have a router or a Dremel, you can just cut it with a knife.